Shut it down.
Boom. Now go passenger. Yep, you're gonna go up the right passenger, 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 just like that. Okay. Now come into your driver. Come into your driver. Hold on, let me get around you. Okay. Yep, yep. Just like that. Now go hard, 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 passenger. There we go. Got it. Okay. Stay right there. Stay right there. Start down. Back up just a little bit. A little bit more. Okay, right there. Now come driver. Auto control. Come forward. Come forward. Little light. Come back up. We're sliding that slide. Back to back. Right there, right there. Just like that. Go.
Stay.
Right there. A little bit more, stay right there a little bit more. Like that. Keep on. Come towards me. There we go. Yeah, one nigger. There we go. All the way over. Now. Yep, now start hard. How are we looking in front?
Good, you got 3 feet.
That's hard. You're gonna probably ride that tree a little bit. Yep, you got it. Now, the back tire's coming up, come hard. Hard.
Okay. Did you do the honors?
Just bumper. Yep. Passenger. Yep. Perfect. Come forward. I come in driver. There you go. Now come in passenger, passenger, right there. You're gonna go up a rock. You got it. There you go. Come into me. You're doing that. Yep. Keep going. Just pulling toward you. Slider. Okay. You're gonna ride. Okay. Go driver. Right there. You're gonna ride up this rock. Driver. Now passenger. Yep. Now stay right here. Hold on. Let me get in front of you. Come forward. You're gonna have to go up that big rock on this side. You're getting it, you're getting it. There you go, yep. Come forward, now come driver a little bit, right there. You're gonna come slide off this rock and you're gonna come up this one. Come up. Now you're gonna, as you come up, you're gonna start going passenger. Oh, you're.
Okay, tell me again, one there. You going up this?
No, don't turn though. Back up just a little bit. Okay, now go passenger. No, back up. Are you lockers on?
The rear one.
Put the front one on. We need that front one to grip. That's why you're not going nowhere right now. Okay, go forward. Now get your traction out. Okay, go forward. Start going. When you're going, is it locked up on you? The steering wheel, like the steering wheel itself?
Yeah, probably.
What's he look like on that side?
He's hung up on that same rock, but I don't know what it's.
I mean, he's not like.
It's not too bad.
You might have to like rock it back and forth to get so you can get some more momentum.
Yeah.
Back up. Okay, go forward. Be careful with that skip. Remember what happens when that skip happens. Okay, there we go. Now back up. Oh, actually, yeah, back up. See if you can get on that rock. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Now you're on the slider. You were on the control arm.
Okay. Now back up just like that.
Yeah.
A little bit more. Right there.
You don't need the lockers?
Yeah.
You're just on the slider.
Just on slider? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we got to get you up this little rock right here. This is the only thing holding him up is this little baby. There you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, back up.
Dog is fucking relentless.
So maybe because he is a longer wheelbase, maybe he does have to bump through there.
Might have to. I mean, give a little bump. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Now start coming me. Come me. Driver, 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 driver.
Is this why you broke your shit, dude?
Back up. So it's gotta be one. There you go. You're gonna get it out of it. Back up. Just keep rocking it like that.
If you back up, there's a rock on your front passenger that you're gonna have to bump over just a little bit.
There you go. Okay. Now come hard, hard, driver.
Yep. And bump.
You want me to climb this?
We're gonna climb the rock in front of you first.
Yeah,
There you go. Great, dude.
Yeah.
All right, now go over driver. I mean passenger. Hard,
The other
hard.
driver. Your backseat driver.
There you go. Now come. Keep like that. Now go left. There you go. There you go. Just keep that. Keep going. How are you looking in front?
Good, you got room. You gotta go. Hard driver. Hard driver.
Hard driver. Are we good?
I think it'll push around. I think.
Yeah, there you go. Yep.
You good? Okay, you're gonna come up there. Hard driver.
Stay up there.
Yeah.
Poor dog. He's like, I'm not sure about this.
Bingo!
I want out. I said, I want out. No, Maggie.
Yeah, that was waiting. There's the dog fighting with the dog and the wheel.
After this rock, put a little might be able just to ride this whole the left on the big rock right here. Yeah, that's perfect. Yep. All right, come on.
So his control arm's hung up on this rock right here.
You might be able to kind of gradually go.
Yeah, he does. But the control arm's hung up right here. I think,
Back up.
yeah, if we can get this one just a little more driver. Yeah.
This whole thing open.
Yeah. Much better. I think you can ride it through. Yep. If you can bump over on this side, right? So you're gonna have to back up. I mean, it's on the control arm, but not as bad. So if you bump, you're gonna have to bump this rear tire right here. Just a little bit, yeah. Right. Just a little bump. There you go. Ah.
Do that again, but do that again.
Bump. Yeah. On that side or this one still? Yeah. Oh, now it's stuck on the control arm again. Ooh, burning rubber. Blech. We're gonna have to get you back that way again to get you to, yeah, because you were on the control arm last time. It's just the sliding makes everything. He probably could. Yeah, try and see, because your tires are so much bigger, see if you can ride right over this. Yep.
Okay, now start going in. No, back up. Back up. I'm gonna get you on this ledge. Yeah, over the rock. Yeah, on top, you know, like you're gonna go on top.
Yeah.
All right, right there. Perfect. Stay passenger a little bit. Stay passenger when you're going up that.
Yeah, come over this.
Is he lined up with that right now?
Just a little more driver. There, yep, there you go, right there. Yeah, do it. he's got that big rock on this side if he bumps.
Is it going up it?
Yeah, it's like
I just want him to be able to back up just a little bit. Right now he's got
right at the point where you're saying to bump, there's another bump on this side too. Yeah, I know there's one on that side. I'm trying to.
that sidewalk.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
Try to get it to business. You're just sitting on your arm. It's not like anything. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You're clear of everything. Right?
Yep. And then your rear tire's gonna bump. Yeah. Go bump it. Yeah.
Good.
Oh my God, that's smart.
And then they can't get in the front and scratch the seats to get on the seat covers and if you don't.
Yeah, when Tina, her dog, she was talking about she bought something headrest. But that's fucking smart.
We did. I mean, we have a lease that we just leave in the Jeep for it. So.
Yeah.
Do you have the rubber backing for the seats, the whole cargo area?
Oh, yes, yes.
So when the seat folds down, the rubber comes on with everyone over?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the